Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're at a brand new A-frame Airbnb in Walhonding, Ohio. Let's go check this place out. This A-frame can accommodate 4 guests and has all of the amenities you possibly could want in an Airbnb. They have hiking trails on this property, they have a hot tub, they have a bird feeder and plenty of birds for bird watching if that's something you enjoy to do. So let's jump into the tour and show you guys around. Driving up to the A-frame, you come from a very long and winding gravel road that leads you to the black steel roof that you can recognize right away. As you pull up to the A-frame, you'll notice that it does have some bump outs, so it's not a true A-frame, but I think the addition of these adds a ton of space on the interior, and it's insanely beautiful in there. As you walk into the front door here, you'll notice that you have 2 decks. The main one that you walk up on has your hot tub here to the right. We'll get to that in a second. And then you also have a deck above this, which actually comes out of the master loft. We'll get to that also in a second, but first let's walk through the front door and check out the interior of this A-frame. As you walk through the front door, you'll see that you have a hallway style kitchen here. To the right here, you have these beautiful butcher block countertops and plenty of cabinets and storage space for anything you might need to store here. They have these books on the shelves and just overall a lot of greenery too in this space. It just adds a liveliness to the entire area. To the left here, you have a bedroom which has a day bed in it, and there's also a washer and dryer in one of these closets. And then off of this bedroom, there's actually your own personal bathroom as well, with a full shower, a sink, and a toilet. If you come out of this room and you continue down the kitchen style hallway, you will see that this kitchen has everything you could possibly need to make meals or just, to spend a long time here at this A-frame. They have a full-size refrigerator. They have this beautiful farmhouse sink that has this massive window that overlooks the patio deck. And they actually have corn on the cob and a bird feeder right outside of this too, so you can do some bird watching or just look out into the woods in the very secluded property. I also really like that all of the floors and the countertops and the choice of cabinet color, everything just ties together so nicely. Again, it's really, really bright, and that's one of the first things you notice. And in combination with that, you just have these massive windows everywhere too. They also have this really cool coffee maker. I'm not sure what the brand is, but it's like this white coffee maker. I've never seen one like it. It looks really cool. And they also have a pour over coffee maker as well, if that's what you're into. Moving along through the kitchen brings you to the dining area and the main living area. To the right here, you have this beautiful dining table, and above it, this black lamp that overhangs on it. And then they obviously have some more greenery here. And then on the other side, you have these 2 sitting chairs, a beautiful leather couch, a really neat lamp in this space too. And you actually also have a picture frame TV. I've never seen one of these in person. I've always seen them on, other tours and pictures and stuff like that, but it's actually, you would never know that it's a TV unless you were really looking for it. So it's a nice subtlety in the space as well. You'll also notice these massive windows on the back wall here, which leads you out to the back patio. We'll get to that in a second, but first let's head up to the loft and check out this space. As you climb the stairs and come to the very top, you see what truly makes this place one of a kind, in my opinion. You have this huge clawfoot tub that has a massive window on the back side of it. It overlooks the loft, so it has a beautiful view. They also provide bath salts and everything you can need if you want to soak in this tub and just relax and really take everything in. They have a really cool ladder here that's on the back side as well. And again, this window overlooks the main patio area too, so it's really a magnificent view from this tub. And then you have your main bedroom and another bathroom up here too. This is almost like a studio bedroom bathroom combination, and it's so well done. They have these beautiful drapes that will close off the main bedroom from the rest of the loft. Some end tables here for you to set your phone on or just a glass of water. And then they have this really stunning walk-in shower, a sink, a toilet, everything you need in a master suite loft bedroom area like this. In addition to that, if you walk out this door here, you also have your own private loft that we mentioned at the very beginning of the video. When you walk out here, you have a view of the driveway when you pulled up to the property, and you also have a view of the secondary deck that we can walk out near the kitchen on the lower level. So let's head back down there now and do that. As you walk out this door right next to the kitchen, this brings you to the main deck of the home. On this deck, you have the fireplace, you have the bird feeder, and you also have the hot tub. This is just the perfect spot for you to hang out, relax, enjoy the sounds of nature. We saw a ton of birds while we were here. I'm not sure if I captured any well enough on my camera, but there was a ton of birds, so it's great for bird watching. And again, you just feel like really secluded on this property. The last and final piece of this property is the deck out of the main doors in the living room, and this brings you to this beautiful overlook where you have this huge ravine. The hosts actually built this Airbnb themselves on their own property, so you have some houses that are around you, but you always do feel very secluded. And I would imagine too, once everything gets green, that it's going to be a lot more private than it is now. It's already private, but it's going to get even more private in the summer and in the fall months. So that's it, guys. That's the property. It's a brand new Airbnb. It's beautiful. If you guys are interested in booking this, we'll put a link in the video description. I hope I captured this because it truly was. The interior was so stunningly white and bright, and you know, they had the Joanna Gaines book on the shelf there in the kitchen style hallway. So it really does feel like A-frame out of HGTV. And if you guys come here, I think you'll really enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked that video, please consider subscribing to the channel, and we will catch you in the next one somewhere north of nowhere.